In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting database files to CSV format using the 4n6 Database Converter tool. To install the 4n6 Database Converter tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with the option to choose from multiple categories of database files including SQLite, Access, Paradox, DBF, and others. Connect to live database servers, including MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. Go to the SQLite or LiteDB option, and then select the Choose Files option. Select the database file and then click the Open button. A panel showing the selected DB files will appear on the left. Click on any of the files to preview its contents. Click on a table to view the data. Our tool provides users with two preview options, including Data and Hex View. This tool only displays relevant information in the Data section of the preview. Tool provides users with search option to search for data within the selected folder. Users also have the option to convert the DB files in CSV format. Select the location where the converted files will be saved. Users can see other convert options, such as delete old folders, open folder after convert is done. Select tables to convert. This option allows users to select tables they want to convert. After configuring all the settings, click on the Save button, and the convert will begin. Click on Open Folder button to access the converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.